making that slick along the surface. Hang on to something. Don't want anybody getting injured in the excitement. Not to somebody, to something stable, anchored on the boat. Thanks. Here it comes. Here it comes. Everybody get ready. Next one, so soak it up.
Oh my goodness. Oh. That's pretty cool.
Super cool. Video or?
Yeah, it's a video.
Okay. So here's how the story goes. Whale watchers see whale. Whale looks like similar whale to what typically is seen in area during this time of year. Whale watchers think, but odd color. And then they say, nah, it couldn't be that, could it? And they talk themselves out of the fact that it could in fact be a blue whale. However, after looking at the characteristics of the animal, yes, we can confirm that you guys just saw a blue whale.
Ooh. Ooh. Gray whale.